Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. So today I have a unboxing and I'm just gonna open this. Kind of waited a while to open this, but I mean, kind of moved around my spot and it looks a little bit better, but I think this bench is gone, so I have to get a new seat. So this is what I have in here. Kind of. So in this haul, I have a bunch of supplements. I also have, let's see, I have a belly wrap. And this belly wrap is like a slimming patch. So it's called Wonder Patch. And it actually contains like caffeine and a bunch of natural ingredients to help slim your waistline. And I've been using these for a long time. And look, in the back it has like a nice little sticker that gives you pretty good directions. That's new. And then I have a eyeshadow palette. I can do a tutorial with this one if you guys want. I'll wait to open that in case y'all ask for one. I got white rice. This is the regular white rice that I always get. And I also got some cutlery. These are just assorted cutlery. So, I mean, this was like 10 bucks, which it comes with like 10. So, I mean, it's about $1 each patch. And each patch, I get results. Every single time I use it, I get results. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I rarely use it because it's so effective. But you can also cut them and use them on other parts of your body, not just your belly. But they're specifically to target belly fat. But I also use them on my thighs and on the bat wing. I use them on that too, and my shoulders and my neck area. I've done that too. Not just with these, I do it with other wraps too. But I feel like that gets, that gets your money's worth. But I mean, if you like are just targeting your belly, those are freaking awesome. Like in 3 months, like you'll see a huge difference. And this is just regular clear cutlery. This is white rice. This is actually glutathione gummies, and I tried these before, but I didn't even pay attention if they were working or not. And I am used to using only the pills, so I guess I'm not too sure what they taste like. I don't even remember, to be honest. Let me see if I can open it with this. Oops, sorry guys. Anyways, I think it says take 2. It contains, let's see, 12 cal, 3 grams of sugar, and it has 500 milligrams of glutathione in these 2 gummies. But they're made with tapioca syrup, water, sugar, blueberry pectin, citric acid, lactic acid, sodium citrate. So, I mean, it's like pretty natural ingredients. I'll taste them. They're vegan, so that's pretty cool. By BioCruder. They're really good. It tastes just like candy. like gummy drops. And now these other two products are by Jack Factory, and they're this one I always buy, and I had ran out of it. And this one I don't always buy, but I feel like I needed it right now because I eat a lot of salt. Now this one is a thermogenic Burn XT. You can see it has acetyl L-carnitine green tea, caffeine, L-biba, and what is it called? Mitoburn. It also has raw saline extract and heparin A. So these are pretty much what I use as a diet supplement, exercise supplement. It's kind of all around for me. And I can tell you I've been using these for years now. And I've been able to keep the weight off. I've been able to reach target weight loss and accomplish my goals in you know, in a real way. Like, we usually see, you know, people go through different you know, phases of, you know, how do you say, weight loss failures. But I think this one helped me gain confidence that I knew I could continue seeing results, keeping the results, and I would actually in real time have results, because I was, you know, you can see, you can scroll down and see I'm you know, I'm pretty thick naturally, but also I have a very small bone structure, so it's not healthy to keep weight on. And this is actually improving my situation as far as wellness is concerned. So that's, you know, something that I like about that product. But this one, if you find yourself getting like eczema, like your hands swell or your feet swell, or your knees kind of look a little bit bloated, things like that, like you see your face kind of change, like look a little bit shifty, different things that you can notice, like your stomach, you know, kind of looks like you just ate but you didn't, you know what I mean? Like it's been hours since you ate but your stomach still stays that way, or, you know, maybe, you know, you just look a little puffy in certain areas of your body. You might want to try a diuretic, because a lot of times with our diet, as far as Americans' diet is concerned, we eat a lot of salt, and not just salt but sodium. And even when we're eating you know, trying to eat healthy, like say we're eating, you know, something with fruit in it, it's still got sodium in it, you know? And no matter what we do for, you know, as far as eating conveniently, we always end up eating, you know, salty snacks or salty fast food. And this diuretics that I've been trying has been helpful to keep my body functional, in that I can actually expel, you know, water correctly, and not keep the water weight on me. And it makes you feel sluggish. It makes you actually hold and retain weight. It causes problems with your respiratory, and also it causes tissue problems because it's sitting there, you know, mingling with healthy tissue. It's not a good thing, you know, and you can see your skin starts to suffer. it starts cracking and chafing and rashes and sores and, you know, wilting. If you ever seen people with that diagnosis where they get sores on certain parts of their body where they sweat, you know, a lot of times, you know, you got to get rid of that salt, get rid of that extra water weight, kind of, you know, get that bloating under control, because if you carry all that water weight, it affects a lot of parts of your body, including, you know, major functions. So this one has vitamin B6, calcium, magnesium, potassium, horsetail, dandelion root, hawthorn berry, green tea, and yerba mate. So that's a pretty good thing. Yerba mate, it gives you energy. I mean, during a diuretic, I can imagine that you might feel a little bit lethargic. But hopefully this one has a bunch of natural ingredients, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and B6. But the horsetail, I know it's good for a lot of different parts of your body. Hawthorn berry helps you detox. Green tea helps you detox. And dandelion root helps your bladder issues, you know, to clear up. So I can understand that this might help me all around. So I think I want to see what it looks like and kind of, you know, it says you only take 2 capsules. So let's see what it looks like. I haven't opened these before. So like I said, this is by Jack Factory. I've tried other diuretics, but they don't work as good. I think because like I have to factor in that my diet is, you know, it's pretty solid on having sodium in it. So this is what they look like. Very green, very natural, very demure. Completely looks like something that, you know, that's healthy, but it's actually a diuretic, literally a diuretic. Like, I can't believe like what I'm looking at. It looks like a supplement, but yeah, I'm gonna try these out. If you guys want to know more about how you know, it affected me, or if it helped improve my health at all, maybe I'll keep you guys posted here or on TikTok, or what have you. So I'll let you guys know more or less. I have a battle coming up at 9 p.m. Also, I will go live at 12 on TikTok. So check me out there too. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. My son different. Bye-bye.